Hey, what's up guys? Back with another video, and this unboxing is for the iPad standard version here that has the A16. I believe this is the 11th generation, 128 gigabyte. This is not for me, this is for my wife, but I'm doing an unboxing on her behalf. Her favorite color, yellow. So we're going to quickly get into this here. Peel this off. Let's see if this is easy to slide out. There we go. So inside, of course, is the iPad itself. Let's put that off to the side for now. Inside, you get your manual, and I haven't brought an Apple device in quite some time, so I do remember they got rid of the Apple stickers, which was iconic. Kind of sucks that they did. Here goes your USB-C charger, your USB-C connecting cable, and that's pretty much it. Now let's go ahead and open this up. This is more of like a mustard gold instead of yellow, but it really does pop. I do miss the days when Apple did, well, when they were into plastic products, when their products were mainly plastic. They had so many nice colors with them, and with aluminum, you can't really do it as much, or it doesn't pop as much as it does with plastic. But yeah, this is pretty nice here. I love it. You got your speakers up top, power button up top, volume up and down, your USB-C at the bottom, and your speakers at the bottom as well. This is to connect your accessories such as the cover. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You have your little one camera cutout here, and I believe that is the speaker for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this quick unboxing of the A16 iPad. I know there might be some new ones coming in March, but it is what it is. I'm just grateful that she is able to have one right now and just have fun with it. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like. Comment down below if you have this particular iPad. Subscribe, and peace out.